夜不停地计算，模拟出各种数据。然而，就是这些数据让无数人趋之若鹜。
In version 3.6 Aether Gazer, we got new S-rank Brahma as a new characters. Brahma is a very powerful asterism unit that deals wind damage that can take the DPS and support role. For Brahma Functor, Signature is very recommended, which has the effects. Final damage, asterism gen character increased by 5%. When second of skill 3 hit, in destruction state, inflict damage 6% of enemy max HP, ignoring defense. Only triggered once per enemy. Give an additional effect when use first yellow code. When in destruction state, attacking an ordinary enemy with less than 15% HP will directly defeat the enemy. Give an additional effect when use second red code. Changed attack buff fought whole team, and all attribute resist reduction from 10% to 15%. The third blue code gain additional effect. Each when switching state, increase damage dealt by 8% for 20 seconds. Sadly, this time dimensional variable functor doesn't work on this character because Brahma attack doesn't have effects that give abnormal effects. But if you don't want to pull for signature functor, you can just use dimensional functor anyway. For sigils, Yingzhou sigil can be used in 1-3-5, while new sigil used in even number slot. This is all Brahma recommended enchant. And this is for Brahma recommended warp.
日夜不停地计算，模拟出各种数据。
Now for the best code. For DPS, Brahma is the blue codes. It gives the following effects. Cast skill 2 will gather enemies after cast skill 2. The damage of normal attack will increase by 33% for 5 seconds, and the damage received will be reduced by 90% for 20 seconds. Base damage of skill 1 is increased by 66%. After cast second of skill 3, destruction state, replace skill 1 with second skill 1. The attack from this skill will not gain divine energy. Each time cast second of skill 1 and second of skill 3, creation and destruction state, gain 1 layer bonus effect, can stack up to 5 times. For every 1 layer of bonus effect, ultimate skill damage increase by 80% and consume all layer. For yellow codes, damage to normal enemy up 33% when in destruction state. Deal damage to all enemies, 100% of attack and consume whole team HP every 1 second, when HP not less than 20%. For each time any 1 HP is consumed, increase attack that character up to 21% for 3 seconds. The effect will be removed when exiting destruction state. When switched to creation state, whole team attack up 2% for EV damage inflicted by the effect above. Max attack up is 40%, lasts for 15 seconds. While red codes is good for support, when dodge effect is triggered, the whole team gain 3 layer of Lotus Shadow for 15 seconds and restore 10% of HP whole team. Lotus Shadow, when attacked, lose 1 layer and gain invincibility for 3 seconds. When second of skill, creation state, hit, increase whole team attack by 10% for 20 seconds. When second skill 1, destruction state, hit, reset the duration of the effect above. When second of skill 3, creation state, hit, reduce enemy resist by 10% for 20 seconds. When second of skill 3, creation state, hit, reset the duration of the effect above. When in creation state and cast ultimate skill, increase crit rate whole team by 25%. For every 0.1% crit rate is increased of self or team above 100%, increase crit damage by 0.2% for 20 seconds. Max is 200%. Brahma and Kali ultimate skill chain give effects. Increase whole team damage by 15% for 20 seconds and reduce enemy lightning resist by 20% for 12 seconds.
らうがいい。こいつ隙だらけですよ。これを食らいなさい。このそりゃどうだ。今だ。いけ。このぬるいだよ。はっ本当に天神準備はできています。全力をぶつけます。はあ終わりだ。くらえ。ここは私が無にキスがいい。いけ。これは希望を守る。これでは準備運動にもならんぞ。隙だらけですよ。これを食らいなさい。この遅すぎる。これのまま参戦を続けられそうです。三千世界の男子か。隙だらけだよ。これで十分だ。無にキスがいい。遅い。全力をぶつけます。はあ反抗に転じます。この終わりとくと味わう。なんとそれ帰ってそりゃ感謝かな。それ遅すぎる。全力をぶつけます。これもまたぬるい。三千世界の男子か。塵物子さん万象崩壊。これで十分だ。反抗に転じます。この終わりとくと味わう。このいだ。全力をぶつけます。はあそれそれ食らうがいい。こんなの大したことはなかったな。